today is probably going to be one of the shorter videos. We're going to be installing these. These are for installing luggage racks or backrests or tour packs. These have a multitude of uses. These are not genuine Harley, so take it with a grain of salt. These seem close, but these, I don't believe are metal. These I think are plastic, so there may be mixed results. I'm not actually going to be keeping these on. I'm going to be installing them to show you, and then I'm going to be removing them and putting the other plates back in. So let's get started. So we're going to need today is a T40 and then another socket wrench. There's one screw here, one screw here. These are only accessible after removing your saddlebags. So that's the first thing you gotta do. Now, since I'm not keeping them on, let's show how to remove these, and we'll reinstall this piece here.